I don't know if I'm wrong or correct that this is the video you have been looking for. In this video, I'm going to talk about pullbacks in the market, what is a pullback and why it's crucial in your trading. In order to trade pullbacks in the market, you have to have knowledge about it, how to spot the pullback and which one to trade, because there are two types of pullbacks. Without wasting much of your time, we have to just go to the charts and we see what's there. So first we just search for our trading because this is where I analyze from. Guys, if you are coming across for the first time, I'm MJK Clips, aka Mad Forex. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can learn one or few things from me. That is one or two from me. Of which I will be glad when I get feedbacks that I have learned this from you, I have learned this from you. It motivates me to continue giving you guys information or teach you guys that are new to trading. So as I said, we are going to look at pullbacks. That is, let me type something. That is a pullback. Let me increase on the size so that you guys see properly. So we are going to look at pullbacks. So what is a pullback? In simple terms, a pullback is a retracement. So a pullback is simply a retracement in your market or on your charts. Like when you are trading, there's a simple push either to the upside or to the downside, hence giving a rejection and the trend continues upside. So that is what I mean by a pullback, and it's crucial. There are two types of pullbacks. That is aggressive. These are the types of pullbacks. That is one is aggressive. Then the second one is corrective. So I'm going to define all this for you so that you get the knowledge about it. So I said a pullback is a retracement in the market. The types of pullbacks are aggressive and a corrective. Aggressive, it's where the market pushes with a high momentum, hence giving you a stop loss hit or hunting your stop loss. In aggressive, you can easily hit your stop loss. Then in corrective, it's where there's less momentum or the less volume of traders. When once you enter in aggressive, you are likely to hit your stop loss. Then in corrective, once you enter, you are probably going to hit your TP. That is the difference in these two. So I'm just going to point out this on the live chat so that you get to know them and how to spot them in the market. Yeah, I'm just going to give you an example here of the structure. Let's say this is, yeah, you are buying now from here. So this is your bullish market. This is the structure that I'm simply trying to show you. Yeah, let's say you entered from here. This was your entry. I'm going to mark it with a trend line. This was your entry now, and then this is, yeah. So I have pointed them out. Let's say I'm going to mark this is arrow up. Yeah. So for the green one, this was your entry. I'm giving an example. This was your entry that you have entered here for a buy. Then the market broke structure here. Hence, no, it didn't break. Yeah, it made here a double top. These are the double tops. So the market made a double top, hence giving a break of structure here. Coming back, this red one now, it's where you are stopped out. Let's say this was your stop loss, then you are stopped out at this red one here. Meaning this was aggressive now. This is aggressive. You did not wait for the inducement to be taken out because this is probably your inducement. You did not wait for it to be taken out. You are going to wait for this pullback here to first come back to the low and then you enter for your trades. But once you enter from here, this was aggressive and it's dangerous for you. So I advise you to stop trading aggressive pullbacks and you trade corrective at least. So this is the corrective. In corrective, it gives you the correct structure or correcting your structure before making a massive move to the upside or to the downside. This is the only difference now. Let's say this was your trade. Yeah, you are probably here on a buy. So I'm just trying to correct the structure here. Yeah, I had drawn it wrongly. In corrective, it means that you have entered correctly, hence once knowing the knowledge about it or you have spotted properly. Now, once you enter from here, we don't expect any pullback because you have waited for it to come back. You have waited for it to come back, meaning this is the corrective way now because this was the break of structure from here. So you just waited for it, meaning you have knowledge about it. Yeah. So from here, you waited for it to come back and you entered, meaning this was corrective. Now I'm going to show you on the live charts how to spot and then aggressive ones also. Once you enter in aggressive, so this was a corrective one because you knew this was a bullish market, so you just waited for it to tap on this. You just waited for it to tap back here and then you entered. For those guys that trade fair value gaps, these are the ones that you waited for it to tap on it, then you entered. Same applies here. This is corrective. So this is all corrective. You wait for it to just pull back and enter. Wait for the pullback, enter, and not aggressively. For aggressive guys, this is how it is. Meaning for you, you entered from here. Let's say you entered from here for, let's say you entered from here for a sale now because of this huge rejection here. Yeah, because of this rejection that you entered for your sales here. You entered for your sales, hence you will be taken out. As you see, there's a push upside before making a rally down here, of which you should have waited for it to come back and enter from here. This was supposed to be your entry for the sell position and not from this side because the trend was continuing up. These are just minor pullbacks of which you should not trade. You should not trade those minor pullbacks. You should trade only the corrective one. Or if you want to trade the aggressive retracements, you have to wait for them properly, or you should know how to spot them and then add on your strategy and you are all good to go. So guys, this is what the video was all about. If it was helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Peace.